Okay, so now we're going to practice this sound meditation together. So please keep your spine straight. You can, if you have back pain, you can use chair like me. As long as if you can keep your spine straight, a little bit straight, Don't worry, a little bit like this, a little bit like that, a little bit like that, no problem. So just a little bit, relatively, keep your spine straight and close your eyes. So first, relax your body. And relax meaning, not relax is also allowed. And be aware of sensation from head to feet. Now, please listen to the sound. Okay, now finish. How was it?